Okay, so you're going to go to screencastonmatic.com. It looks like this. You're going to click on this little camera here. They may ask you to go ahead and create an account. If so, just do that. As you can see, we're in my account, so I clicked on that. And then I'm going to have a screen that looks with some dotted lines. And it's going to be a rectangle. You can't see it because that's what's recording right now. And there's going to be some white arrows. You can drag the corners of it to make it as big as you need to record your video. So to give you an example of that, I went and found a video that I had on YouTube. So I simply click to start recording. It's going to count me down, 3, 2, 1. Then I'm going to start the video that I want to record.
Hello, this is Dr. Shelly Allen, and I'm here with Allen's Toolbox. This video series is just some short video clips to help you with the tools that you will use as a field supervisor. Today, we are going to look at the new Adobe Connect layout and how to navigate it.
So we're going to pretend that I recorded the whole thing. Most definitely yours is going to be longer than that. You will stop your video. You will pause your recording. Once you do that, you're going to go to a spot where it's going to ask you if you're done. You're going to click done. And then it will ask you how you want to publish it. So put a title to it. You're going to send it to YouTube. So I'll send you screenshots of what that looks like. Once it's in YouTube, you're going to click to share this little piece right here. It's going to give you an embedded link right here. You're going to copy that. You're going to send those to Dr. Harrison since you are not able to email them or put them in Dropbox. And that should get that part done so you can get the rest of it done. So I hope this helps. If not, email me back and we'll walk back through it. We'll get on Adobe Connect or something and walk through it. Thanks.